morning, everyone. Amy here from Three Corners Farm, and I want to share a little bit of my daily housework routine because as a mother and a wife, that burden still tends to fall on us even in the year of 2021. So a little bit about myself is I live on a modern day homestead. It's just a little 1,200 square foot home in the hills of Oregon on a little bit of acreage. But this can be practiced anytime, anywhere, no matter your lifestyle. And I am not the best at housekeeping, so I have kind of perfected this little bit of routine into my daily life in order to get it all done. So the first thing that I do when I wake up in the morning is I look out my little window and I just take a moment for gratitude or prayer. It's that simple to start your day off good. The next thing I do is I make the bed because we have dogs and I don't like them under the covers. So that's a must for me. Then I make my way to the coffee pot and make that blessed morning Java, and I empty the dishwasher while it's perking. Then I make my way to, I finally get to sit down and sip my coffee for 10 minutes even. And this can be a good morning devotion time, or for me, I like to journal. I like to jot down the weather patterns and something simple, whether it be a family happening or a farm happening or something in the world. I just like to jot it down. And then next step is I start a load of laundry. Now we make our own laundry soap, so I can share that if you're interested. But I just keep it simple. I just put a bunch together and wash them on cold. Once in a while, I might decide I have enough whites to do a white load with some bleach, but just throw in a load of laundry. Get yourself a really nice laundry basket if it makes you feel better, because it's worth it. And then next up is I will do a quick little workout. Now that can look like anything from YouTube videos that do yoga. You can jog around the block if that's what works best for you. I like to light some candles and put my yoga mat down and do meditation. Now there's a really great meditation video that's only 5 minutes long that I'll share in the links below because I listened to it for probably a whole year, 1 year. And it was before we moved to this homestead when we were going through a really hard transition. And I never thought that this dream would happen for us. But when I started listening to this short meditation daily until it was memorized and ingrained in my brain, everything started happening. And so take that little bit of time for yourself in the morning. And then next up is showering, dressing, brushing teeth, combing hair, all those things. I don't always shower every day because we do live on a homestead and we have to use our water very carefully. So and then sometimes I shower at night. So it just depends on what works best for you. And then last but not least, in the morning, I will put those clothes that I washed into the dryer or hang them on the line if that's what you prefer, like me. Excuse me. But aside from that, I just move on and let the rest of life happen. I have to feed animals on a little farm, and I have kids still to take care of and meals to plan and farm work to do. When I was working outside of the home, I would get up at 5 and sort of just touch a little bit on all of this routine before getting the kids up and going. And I would be out the door by 7. So you may have to tweak it to work to your advantage, but stay tuned because I also have a couple more increments during the day where I finish out some of these household chores. And if I keep it on a schedule, it just flows and it gets everything done. So I just want to give a shout out to all of you women out there who may struggle a little bit with anxiety and depression, because I've been there. And sharing this video is kind of a little glimpse into that, because I remember in 2015 being very sick in bed and not wanting to leave my bedroom. And I was reading an article about daily routines, and this came up, but I really wish I tried to look and find the article to share with you, but I haven't found it yet. So I will let you know. That was a long time ago, if I find it again. But it did break down this morning and afternoon and evening routine of just how to fit it all in. And if you accomplish nothing else, you can mark these things off your list and know that you've contributed and accomplished something, from self-care to laundry and dishes. So with that, I send you so many blessings and much love, and I will see you very soon on my next second part to this video. Take care.